Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off vehicle in TurboTax Self-Employed actual method versus standard mileage. So first off, there's actually two ways to deduct. First is standard mileage, in which IRS pays you 67 cents per mile, and the actual expenses, which is you write off part of your gas, insurance, repairs, depreciation, and etc. And here's how you enter it in TurboTax. First, head over to TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, from your dashboard in the left panel, click on Federal, then Wages and Income. So from here, just look for self-employment income and expenses, then click on Start. And from here, you will be asked, have you ever taken the standard mileage deduction for this Honda Accord or your car? So answer yes if yes and no if not. So if you answered no, you will be needed. So if you answered no, you will be prompted to enter the actual expenses for your vehicle. And to do that, just proceed. And from here, just type in all the details. But for standard mileage, of course, you're going to pick yes and continue. Now, you might ask, which should you pick among the two? If it's for cheap to run car plus high mileage, choose standard mileage. And if it's for expensive or new car plus high costs, choose actual expenses. So in this case, you're going to pick no. If you want the option to use standard mileage later, you must start with it in year one. But if you want to start with actual expenses, you're locked into actual for depreciation. So from here, just fill in all the details correctly and accurately until you get to the end. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!